What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Steve Does Stuff. Today, we're doing some truck camper stuff. Last couple of videos I made on it were the general construction of it, but I would say we're 77.456% done. And today we're gonna make it 100% done. So show you what we got done so far. This is the finished product as it sits. Both those drawers are bed length, so they are, 6'2" drawers. We have little panels front and back for storage that are easy access. There's two up at the front. The primary focus of today is going to be dividing up these drawers. So I've already done some of it. Right here is the stove section. What I need to do now is make more storage pockets, false tops, and possibly a cutting board for the rest of this, just so it's a nice workspace. The other one is going to be like dog stuff, clothes, all of that. So primarily focusing on this drawer today, and then just gonna try and load it up, take my time. So with this kind of stuff, it's probably pretty important to take your time, plan everything out, make sure you're doing everything right, none of which I would say is really my strong suit. So I'm gonna try my damnedest to go slow, but probably not gonna work out too well. So let's get started. So this is the game plan so far. Obviously right here is the cook surface. Thinking about making another small divider that holds all the cooking things, so bowls, pots, pans, larger cooking utensils, blocking that off right there. Nice cover on that. Beyond that, we'll have cutting boards, measuring cups, teaspoons, knives, coffee stuff, whatever have you in here, along with like spices, salt and pepper. Maybe run this guy here to here, so that way it's a nice flat surface for here, and keep some spices and whatnots back there. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this, put this divider in here, not screw it in place, but just see how I'm liking the looks of these. Okay, so this is a bit of a mock-up. So we've got stove station here. Not sure how I already dented it. Kind of our cooking station, coffee, other utensils, big cast iron pan, our camping pans. And then this would be more of like a easy in and out, spices over there, knives, measuring cups, 3 cutting boards, our plates, our utensils are in there, room for some more fun over here. Here I think we're going to be putting our garbage, just be nice to have, not interfering with trying to remove anything from here. Garbage and maybe some food stores like Tupperwares, or even a spot to keep like non-spice things, so like dry goods, pasta, granola, whatever we need in here. So it's coming along. What I can't decide on is if I want to sink this divider. And the main source of my indecision on that one is we got this really nice piece of pine that I was going to sand down and put over top of there. And I don't know if I want 2 pieces or 1. It's pretty big decisions we got to make here. Regardless, that's what we're looking at. Coming along. Okay, so we're looking at semi-final design. Forgot my sink. This guy collapses, but the size for a sink, we can fit some other stuff under there. Back here is going to be food storage that'll probably just divide it up into 4. I think I'm going to keep this drawer height, so we can have one board here with that nice pine board in there. So I'm going to sand these guys down and then put them all into place. Bring her over here for a test fit. Nice. Wouldn't want to made that any more narrow. So this is kind of the look. Man, it does look nice all one tabletop like that though. God, this looks fantastic, and I'm really regretting, like I'd love to just leave it like this, but you can see there's the divider here and the divider there, and it just doesn't make sense to have this all one work surface, because if we're cooking here and we need to get something from, say, like the spice zone, which is the second one, we gotta pick this whole thing up. Maybe that wouldn't be so bad because it's a giant board. Oh God. There has been an official change of plans. I am going to get this guy over here. I'm gonna pull this divider back out. I'm gonna lower it down, so this is covered by one section. I think it's gonna look too good. Originally I thought this was gonna be too much of a pain in the butt if it was all one piece to pick up and move, but it's a giant board. You know, we put a hole here, put a hole there, pick it up. It shouldn't really be that much of an issue, even if you are prepping stuff on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Alright, let me move all this crap out of the way. How did you get harder to put in? Alright, so we put our half height divider in. So now it's time to make this guy beautiful with that piece. So there she is, cut to size. It's just a little tight on here. I got lucky and almost botched it on the width. This looks great. So I'm gonna go ahead and sand this down and try and take some length off the edge, or length off of this, but I think this looks way better. Nice cooking top. Now I gotta sink it down. All right, completed section. Solid food prep top. This right here, great for cooking. And then this is the food prep area, which I think looks pretty awesome, except for the fact that there's no hole in that, and now I can't get it back up. I don't really want to drill a hole in it because it looks so nice, but this is not the right way to keep getting it up. It's got to be a better way. It's hard to believe that it's been multiple hours, but we're making some serious progress. So I've decided I'm going to leave this end unit kind of open. A little bit of stuff we can get in there, and a little bit of a half wall. This can come out more, especially when it's going to have all the weight of the other ones in here. I still can't bring myself to drill a hole in this, but I think I'm going to have to pretty soon. But sand this baby down, get it in there, and then it's just going to be one beautiful top. I've been really putting this off, but I don't think there's any other way that I can finish this top without drilling a hole in it, so this is gonna hurt. Here goes nothing. Ah, this hurts. It's not too bad. Not too bad. I'm gonna work that around with the Dremel, clean it up. Probably not the best work in the world, but okay with it. She lifts out. Wow. Very, very nice. Okay, well, that's it. We're almost buttoned up. Tested out these pockets too. We've got two of those little butterfly chairs and a hammock in here. Tons more room. We've got two pockets at the front, two pockets at the back, so those are nice. Those drawers. Stove, few extra things back here. Kitchen 2.0. Got some dead space back in here. Sure, we can keep some sort of foods, but I am very happy with this. I gotta say, this side, very neat. It is just 3 large sections. I think this is gonna be for the dog. Then we'll split these last 2 ones up for clothes. What? Ready for it's ready for a test run. Big time. I think that's it. I mean, mostly done. So thanks very much for watching, guys. See you next time.